In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Beehiiv. If you monetize your newsletter, getting paid should be simple. I'll walk you through the full process from checking your balance to confirming a payout, plus a few tips to avoid delays. Start by signing into your Beehiiv account the same way you normally do, then head straight to your dashboard. This is your home base for performance and earnings. From here, open the monetization area. Inside, choose paid subscriptions. That's where Beehiiv consolidates your subscriber revenue and payout settings. Before you move any money, look at your available balance. Available means funds that have cleared and are ready to be paid out. You might also see pending amounts. Those are recent payments still processing or within refund windows, and they won't be included in a withdrawal yet. If you operate in multiple currencies, note which currency the balance reflects. If you haven't connected a payout method yet, do that now. Beehiiv will guide you to link a supported provider and destination account, such as a bank account through a payments partner. Enter accurate account details, make sure your legal name and business information match your banking records, and complete any identity or tax verification prompts. Verification can take a little time, and payouts can't be sent until this step is finished. Once your payout method is active, you can either request a withdrawal or let automatic payouts handle it for you. Manual withdrawals give you control over timing and amount, as long as you meet any minimums set by the payments provider. Automatic payouts follow a schedule defined by your region and account settings, moving available funds to you at regular intervals. Be aware that providers may apply fees or reserve small amounts to cover refunds. When you request a withdrawal, review the destination, the amount, and any displayed fee, then confirm the transaction. Follow any authorization prompts and wait for the success message so you know the request has been submitted. Finally, give the transfer time to land in your account. Bank processing can take a few business days depending on country and currency. You can track status in your Beehiiv monetization or transaction history view. If a payout fails, double-check your account details and ensure your bank accepts the incoming currency. That's it. Log in, open monetization, check your balance, connect a payout method, request or wait for payout, confirm, and let the transfer complete.